A car tire, or tire, is a crucial component of a vehicle, designed to provide traction, support the weight of the vehicle, and absorb shocks from the road. Here's a breakdown of its key aspects. Structure. 1. Tread, the outer surface that contacts the road, designed with grooves and patterns to provide grip and channel water away to prevent hydroplaning. 2. Sidewall, the area between the tread and the bead, which provides lateral stability and protects the inner components. 3. Bead, the inner edge that secures the tire to the wheel rim, ensuring a proper seal to hold air. 4. Casing, the body of the tire that provides strength and flexibility, often made of layers of fabric and steel belts. Types 1 all-season tires designed for a variety of conditions, providing a balance between performance in wet and dry conditions. 2. Summer tires, optimized for warm weather, offering superior handling and braking on dry and wet roads. 3. Winter tires, equipped with special tread patterns and rubber compounds that enhance traction in snow and ice. 4. Performance tires, designed for high-speed driving, providing improved grip and handling. Maintenance. Regular maintenance of tires is essential for safety and performance, including tire pressure, maintaining the recommended pressure to ensure optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Tread depth, checking for adequate tread to ensure proper grip and handling. Rotation and alignment, regularly rotating tires and aligning the wheels to promote even wear. Importance. Properly maintained tires are crucial for vehicle safety, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. Worn or improperly inflated tires can lead to reduced traction, increased stopping distances, and a higher risk of blowouts.